Good morning, everyone. Okay, so today is Tuesday. The market opened like 2 days ago. So the market opened, no, the weekly opened 2 days ago. And so far, we had a rejection of the 50 weekly MA, which is good. And right now, this is on Bitcoin. Right now we are trying to push through the trend line that we've been in since January, and it's looking good in my opinion. This trend line, maybe it's a little up, maybe it's a little down, but it's pushing, it's trying to push through it. So if the daily closes like this, and maybe if we get another close of the daily, I do think that we are starting the reversal, and we are going to keep going to the, not sure if we are going to do a double top or if we are going to the 150k, but yeah, it's good, it's looking good. So yeah, Bitcoin, what I think it might happen is this: it goes through, then it retests the trend line, and then we push through. This is the right zone to go for a long. This when we retest the trend line. Before that, no, because we might see this happening. We are not able to push through, and then we dump, and you don't want to long that before. Something that I saw yesterday while I was analyzing this. Oh yeah, we already pushed through it. Yeah, I was watching the MAs on the 4 hours, and it seems that I think this is the 50 MA, the 50 EMA. It seems that the price is being sustained by the 50 MA, so this is a MA that we can keep thinking about and watching to see if the MA is probably going to do this, and the price is going to go sideways or even up, but when it touches, it should go up. But the 50 MA is acting as support right now, which is good. Everything, at least in Bitcoin, is looking good. So yeah, another thing that we need to see is this. As you can see, the MACD is starting to slowly go up, and we are probably going to get a cross somewhere around here, which is the same time that the M2 supply shifted 110 days or something, points to the possible next bump. So yeah, this is good. So yeah, I've had this bar pattern for a while now, and it's looking like it's going to do this. Now, will we stop this price 110k, or if we are going to 150k, I don't know, but according to the M2 supply, and I don't want to focus only on that, we'll see when we get there, but according to the M2 supply, yes, we might go to the 150k in Q3, Q2, yeah, August, July, somewhere around there. Okay, so next, Ethereum is not looking good. Yeah, it's going at the trend line, and we've broke down, and it's retesting right now, so this is not good. If we are not able to push up, the price will go down. It's that simple. Now this right here, the MACD, it's really oversold, and it's showing some signs of bullishness. So yeah, we need a few more weeks to see. This whole down movement was mainly caused by Bybit. the whole Bybit issue. So yeah, the IP is not burning enough Ethereum, and Ethereum is not looking very good at the moment. And if Ethereum doesn't look good, altcoins don't look good. So yeah, I want to see a sign of reversal in the MACD and push past this trend line to know that this was just like a bad, like a weak false breakdown basically. So yeah, hopefully, actually let me remove all of these, go to the daily and do this. So yeah, in the next few days we might have a break through the trend line or a breakdown, and that will be not good. I just say not good. RLB is also not looking it's not looking good. Yeah, let me watch the RSI on this. Of course I don't have it. Bye bye MACD. Hello RSI. Yeah. Yeah. It's not looking the best. But yeah, the buybacks on RLB, which are really big buybacks, are sustaining the price more or less. But we did break down from the support trend line, which is also not good. And what can happen is that we retest it, and now we go and retest this zone right here. Yeah, these zones are the support zones basically. It's this green line and this one. So yeah, it's also not looking good. Like I said, if Ethereum doesn't do well, the altcoins don't do well. What I've noticed is that when Bitcoin pumps, RLB dumps. When Bitcoin dumps, RLB pumps, which makes sense since the buybacks, when the price is more volatile, the buybacks are going to buy more RLB. So yeah, now to the stock market. XPX is more or less doing what I think it was going to do. I do still think that we might come down here. The whole world is like the US and the whole world is kind of crazy right now. So yeah, by the way, this is not just a random line. This is like actually let me, this should be this is like the previous resistance zone that we broke through right here, and we never retested it, and it seems that we are retesting it soon. So yeah, if it does retest this, I do think that it's a really good zone to buy. I also think that yeah, if you go and see this the 200 weekly MA is going to be at this yellow line, this right now support, resistance turn support, and I think that we are going to touch it. The price is going to touch this. This can happen. I'm not saying that it is just probabilities, but if the MA and the yellow are at the same price, we might go down. We might have some news or something that the price goes down there and retests it again. But yeah, I do not think that we are out of. We are still not safe, basically. The whole world is kind of crazy right now. UNL, which is like the world ETF. Yeah, so far so good. The green line is the line that it's where I went into leverage, basically got into a debt to buy, and so far so good. I have like what, yeah, 7% profit. I didn't use leverage. I use leverage since it is debt, but I didn't go into debt and use leverage because that will be kind of crazy. I'm already okay with this risk. So yeah, we are, however, touching this green EMA, which I think it's the 100, and it seems that it's acting as resistance right now. So yeah, and also this resistance turn to support, turn resistance. So we might have a little correction now, but yeah, we need to pass this trend line right here for us to actually see some good momentum. Let me just go to the daily. It's more or less okay. Maybe a little up. Yeah, this was just like an outlier. Yeah. So yeah, we need to pass that trend line for us to be more okay with the current market and more bullish. Let me look at some other stocks while I have time. I want to keep the video to 20 minutes, so yeah. Apple had a huge dump. It seems that it's correcting. And we are, go to the weekly. I got this trend, this channel right here. Yeah, this channel from this to this. And it seems that we are in the middle of the channel. So if you buy right now Apple, according to this channel, either you have to wait 4 years max for the price to touch the lower zone of for the current price to touch the lower zone of the channel, and for the price to hopefully go up, unless something really bad happens. Normally it's the way I see the market. There are not a lot of people that look at this. I like that look at the market like this, but yeah, I like this way of thinking. So yeah, it's not that bad. And actually, Apple stock, let me P ratio of 32. Yeah, it's not that good. I think that Google had, not Google, it's Alphabet, but whatever. Yeah, Alphabet has a P ratio of 20, which is actually really good. If only they didn't start so many software and hardware that they didn't completely support and then die. You guys know what I'm saying. If you guys go death, I think it's death by Google. Killed by Google, yeah, killed by Google. The Google Graveyard. This is an amazing website. Just look at this. Chromecast, VPN by Google One. I think Skype is somewhere around here. YouTube Stories. YouTube Originals. Yeah. Google Hangout. I didn't even know that Google Hangout died. But yeah. So it's not that, it's Alphabet. More. Yeah, it seems to be more. Yeah, if you guys just watch this, This will be the resistance turn support. Every time we touch this, it will be a good buy zone. And what was it? It was a good buy zone. Not only that, but we also had the weekly MA to support us. So this was a really good buy zone for Google. the price comes down here again, I think Google is a good buy. Yeah, well, I have a few more minutes. Let's look at the news. I think I got some. Yeah, Crypto Burb is also seeing a MACD uptrend with the price going down, means that we are becoming more bullish, which is takeoff loading, exactly. Yeah, this is a really interesting one because this is the second trade war that Trump is doing. And Bitcoin went down, but then it launched in 2020. I was around back then, but this was late bear market, and right now we are late bull market. So yeah, it's not a really good comparison, but it's something to pay attention to. Yeah, CryptoCon thinks that I think the cycle talk is late 2025 and is looking at 186k. I'm looking at 150k max, but whatever. Give or take 30k, it's not that different. But yeah, a lot of people are seeing late 2025 as the next stop. So yeah, and so far so good. If the price, and here's the thing, I've been through this before. If the price broke the 50 MA right here, then I'll turn bearish straight away. But we didn't. We touched it once, we touched it twice. We did have like this, and I was around, and I did a video when we were here. We did go below it, but we didn't close below it. So yeah, I'm fine with that. Just like we did here, we didn't close below it, we didn't close below it. And this was early bull, which is okay. So yeah, so far so good. Tariffs have been paused. The M2 supply, just look at this, 120k, and it seems to be going up and up. And so yeah, may blast off, who knows. Maybe we have like 15 more days until that happens, so we will see when we get there. So yeah, like I said, I wanted to keep the video short, and so I'm ending it. Oh, new record. Hey, and Michael Saylor also bought more Bitcoin, so yeah, that's also good. Every time he buys, hopefully the price doesn't go down and he has to sell the Bitcoin, but yeah. So yeah, the market is looking good overall, at least Bitcoin. Ethereum and altcoins are not looking that good, but we'll see when we start actually pumping, if Ethereum reverses or not, or if Bitcoin keeps going being the outperforming Ethereum. Actually, yeah, this is also not reversing. Just yeah, this is also still, at least it's still not reversing. Yeah, just look at this, ugly as hell. But yeah, we might see support right here. We might see support right here, who knows, but yeah, we might. So yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. Bitcoin is looking good, altcoins and Ethereum is not. See you guys. Bye.